The PAXUP app has some wonderful and robust reporting features. Select Reports from the main menu to see your game and spleen count data. First, select the class, assuming there's more than one class from which to choose. Once you've selected the correct class, you can click on any one of 5 report types: Scoreboard, PAX Minutes, Game Data, Spleem's Whole Class, or Spleem's Target Child. All reports can be downloaded as a .csv report or a PDF report for printing or emailing. The scoreboard report shows all of the games the class has played within the time span shown. To change the time span, simply click on the From or To date, or click on Year to Date to see data from the entire school year. The total PAX minutes for the time span is at the top of the chart, and each game is listed on a separate row. Add a note for any game, or read the note you made while playing by clicking on the sign in the Notes column. Delete the game by clicking on the X in the Delete column. You may need to scroll to see every game in the chart. Add extra motivation for winning PAX games by clicking on PAX Minutes and setting a PAX Minutes goal over a given time span with some announced reward in place for meeting the goal. First, click on Add Goal. Then name the goal and set a PAX Minutes value, and select a date range. When that goal has been reached, a sound will notify you. The Game Data Report shows the most recent 20 weeks of PAX GBG data as a default, but you can select a different date range or get all of the data for the year to date. Tap on any of the items in the key to temporarily remove a line or lines from the graph in order to more easily read the other lines. The Spleem's Whole Class report shows the most recent 20 weeks of Spleen collection data for the whole class and can be manipulated in the same way as the Game Data report. The Spleem's Target Child report shows the most recent 20 weeks of Spleen collection data for one target child. If you played a game or did a spleen count and did not have your mobile device with you, you can enter the data by clicking on Add Missing Data at the top of the report screen and then selecting the class name and game or spleen count from the top rows of the screen. Then fill in the remaining information and click on OK. You can also view your implementation survey reports on this app by selecting Survey Reports from the main menu. Here you can see all of the surveys that you and your partner have done to assess your progress. Select Implementation Complete to see all of the individual scores for kernels and full game. If a note was made, you can read it by clicking on the Notes symbol in the last column. This concludes your tour of the PAXUP Teacher app. Please note that there is help text available to you by clicking on Help in the main menu. And there is also a support button to connect you to tech support.